Let me ask you something real quick. How many times this week did you stay late? Not because the work was hard, but because it was endless. Emails, reports, meetings that should have been messages. If you work a 9 to 5 in the US, chances are you're losing hours every single week, not to real work, but to busy work. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how AI can realistically save you at least 5 hours every week without changing your job, learning to code, or becoming the AI guy in your office. This isn't hype. This is about practical, everyday wins. 1. The hidden time. Thief at work. Most people think they're busy because their job is demanding. But studies show something different. The average American worker spends over 2 hours a day on emails and messages, 1 to 2 hours a week rewriting or reformatting documents. Another 2+ hours preparing for meetings that don't move the needle. That's not productivity, that's friction. AI doesn't replace your job here, it removes friction. And the first place it saves massive time? Writing. 2. Stop writing from scratch. This alone saves 2 hours a week. Think about how often you write. Emails, follow-ups, reports, Slack or Teams, messages, performance summaries, client updates. Most people start with a blank page. That's where time dies. With AI, you don't start from scratch, you start from 80% done. Instead of thinking, how do I phrase this professionally? You say write a clear professional email, explaining a project delay to a client in a calm tone. Now you're editing, not creating. Editing is 3 times faster than writing. Even better, AI doesn't get tired. It keeps your tone consistent, professional, polite, and clear every single time. If you send just 10 emails a day, and AI saves you 2 minutes per email, that's 20 minutes a day, over 1.5 hours a week. And that's just emails. 3. Meetings. Before, during, and after. Let's talk about meetings. America's favorite productivity killer. AI helps in 3 powerful ways. Before the meeting, you can ask AI to create an agenda, summarize last week's discussion, pull key talking points from long documents. During the meeting, AI note-taking tools can record, transcribe, highlight action items automatically. So instead of typing notes, you're actually present. After the meeting, here's where the real-time savings hit. AI can instantly summarize the meeting, list decisions made, assign action items, draft follow-up emails. What used to take 30 minutes now takes 3. If you attend just 4 meetings a week, AI can easily give you back another 1 to 2 hours. 4. Reports and documents in half the time. Whether you work in finance, marketing, healthcare, tech, or operations, reports are unavoidable. The problem isn't the data, it's organizing it. AI can turn bullet points into full paragraphs, simplify complex language, rewrite reports for executives versus clients, summarize long documents into 1 page. Instead of rewriting the same report 5 different ways, you say, rewrite this for senior leadership. Keep it concise and data-focused. This is especially powerful for US workplaces where communication style matters. Clear, direct, no fluff. 5. Small wins add up fast. Here's what people miss. You don't save 5 hours all at once. You save 5 minutes here, 10 minutes there, 30 minutes somewhere else. AI works best when it handles repetitive thinking, first drafts, formatting summaries. You stay in charge of decisions, judgment, and creativity. By the end of the week, those small wins stack up into real time. Time you can use to leave early, focus on meaningful work, or simply breathe. And we're just getting started, because this is where the remaining hours disappear and where you get them back. 6. AI as your task manager without extra apps. Most professionals don't struggle because they have too much work. They struggle because they're constantly deciding what to do next. That mental switching costs time. AI can instantly break large projects into step-by-step. Prioritize your to-do list for the day. Suggest what to work on first based on deadlines. Instead of staring at a messy task list, you can say, organize my tasks for today based on urgency and importance. Now you start your day with clarity, not stress. This alone can save 20 to 30 minutes a day because you stop wasting time planning, replanning, and second-guessing. 7. Research in minutes, not hours. If your job involves any kind of research, market trends, competitors, client background, internal data, AI is a game changer. Think about how research usually goes. Open multiple tabs. Read half of each article. Forget where you saw. Try to summarize it all later. AI skips that mess. You can ask it to summarize industry trends, compare competitors, explain complex topics in simple terms, pull key takeaways from long documents. Instead of spending 90 minutes researching, you spend 10 minutes reviewing. And here's the key part for US workplaces. AI helps you sound informed without sounding robotic. You still add your insight. AI just gets you there faster. 8. Decision support. Less overthinking, faster action. One of the biggest time drains at work isn't tasks, it's hesitation. Is this the right approach? Should I send this now? How do I respond without causing problems? AI acts like a second opinion. You can ask, what are the pros and cons of this decision? Is this response clear and professional? What risks should I consider before moving forward? You're not outsourcing decisions, you're speeding them up. This reduces back and forth revisions, delayed responses, and unnecessary stress. Over a week, this can easily save another 30 to 45 minutes. 9. How to use AI at work without looking lazy. Let's address the elephant in the room. A lot of people worry, if I use AI, will it make me look replaceable? The truth is the opposite. The professionals who benefit most from AI deliver faster, communicate better, miss fewer details, stay calm under pressure. The key rule is simple. AI helps you prepare. You still present. You don't say, AI wrote this. You say, here's a clear, well-thought-out solution. Your value isn't typing speed. Your value is judgment, experience, and accountability. AI just clears the noise. 10. Adding it all up. Where the 5 hours come from? Let's break it down realistically. Emails and writing, 1.5 to 2 hours. Meetings and follow-ups, 1 to 2 hours. Reports and documents, 30 to 60 minutes. Task planning and decision-making, 30 to 45 minutes. That's 5 hours every week without working harder or longer. That's leaving work earlier. Fewer late nights. More focus on meaningful tasks. Less burnout. And the best part? You don't need to change careers or learn technical skills to do this. You just need to work smarter. Outro AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to remove the parts of your job that never needed a human in the first place. When you stop wasting time on busy work, you get something far more valuable back: control over your day. And once you experience that, there's no going back. If this video helped you see AI differently, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's always working late. Because working longer isn't success. Working smarter is.